Good morning, children. Welcome to class 4 Social Studies. Previous class we started Almanac, chapter 2 Almanac. In this chapter we have discussed the Gregorian calendar and the leap year. I hope all of you understood those portions very well. Okay, Gregorian calendar is the widely used calendar in the world today. Okay, then leap year also we learned. Then today we are going to learn about the Shaka calendar. So what is this Shaka calendar? This Shaka calendar means the ancient India's calendar. That means India's calendar. Okay, Gregorian calendar is the world used, that's widely used in the world today. That means the full world used that calendar, common calendar is known as Gregorian calendar. But our India's calendar, that is known as the Shaka calendar. That is, it is developed in ancient India. That means clearly the King Shalivahana Shaka who ruled over India, ancient India. Okay, that means which king? Shalivahana Shaka. So King Shalivahana Shaka ruled over India. So that time, his time period is known as Shalivahana Shaka era. Era means time period, or Shaka era, otherwise known as Shaka era. So that Shaka era, this calendar was developed by King Shalivahana Shaka. That is why this calendar is known as Shaka calendar. Okay. So the Shaka calendar developed during Shaka era. The Shaka era is a historical calendar era. That is, it is in history. It is a era. It is an important era. That means King Shalivahana Shaka's era, and it corresponds to the Julian year 78. Julian year means Julius Caesar time period. Okay, King Julius Caesar time period. Year started, that time period is known as Julian year, and this Shaka era is almost same to the Julian year 78. And this is also called, this Shaka era is also called Shalivahana Shaka era, which era is used in ancient India. It has been used in many old written notes, scripts, and also in ancient Sanskrit era. That is, when we search, we already learned that sources are of two types: religious literature and non-religious literature. Then written and these sources, archaeological sources and literary sources. And when we search the literary sources, we will get this written notes of this Shaka calendar, Shaka era, and King Shalivahana Shaka of our ancient India. Then the Shaka calendar is used as the official calendar of India. That is, which is the official calendar of our country, India. And this Shaka calendar is also called Hindu calendar. It is otherwise known as Hindu calendar. This calendar is used in calculation of religious festivals of India. Okay, that means in order to know the dates, days, events, etc., we use the calendar. And this Shaka calendar in ancient India, it was used to calculate the religious festivals of India. Nowadays, now also it is used. Okay, that is, because it is the official calendar of our country, it is known as a Hindu calendar. That is, the people, in order to know the religious festivals and some other religious events of our own country, people use this Shaka calendar today also. Okay. Then this formation of Shaka calendar. All of you understand the Shaka calendar. So which time period it is used? It is used in the Shaka era. It is started the King Shalivahana Shaka, and it is the ancient calendar of our country, India. It is otherwise known as Hindu calendar. It is used in the calculation of religious festivals of India. Then next is the formation of Shaka calendar. Okay, how and when it is formed. If we see the initial calendar period of India, it is the Shaka era. That is initial calendar period of India, if we see, that is the Shaka era. Initial period, first period of our country, calendar period of our country is the Shaka time period. This calendar starts with King Vahana's accession to the throne. That means when the King Shalivahana Shaka came to the throne, became the king, that period is known as Shaka era, and that time this calendar started. That means clearly King Shalivahana Shaka started this calendar. Which calendar? Shaka calendar. So the Shaka calendar is used for the astronomical work in Sanskrit literature written after 500 AD. That is it is written in the Sanskrit literature, and it is used for astronomical work. Astronomical work means the work of the heavenly bodies. In order to know about the heavenly bodies, astronomy, okay, that is a science to know about the heavenly bodies, sun, moon, stars, planet, etc. In order to learn about this, that is known as astronomical work. So in order to know about this, their cycle and the relations of these planets, then stars, then moon, etc. Okay, in order to know all this astronomical work, this Shaka calendar was used. Okay, then it is written in Sanskrit literature. The use of Shaka calendar began from Shaka era 1879. So King Shalivahana Shaka started this, and the use of this calendar is started in the year 1879 in Shaka era. 1879 in Shaka era, and it is correspond to Gregorian era 1957. Okay, that is 1879 Shaka era means 1957 AD in English calendar. Okay, and the Chaitra first, it started in Chaitra first. Chaitra means Sanskrit month, Chaitra first, and this Chaitra first is corresponds, or it is similar to March 22 in English month. Okay, then there are 12 months in Shaka calendar named as Chaitra, Vaishaka, Jyeshtha, Ashadeha, Shravana, Bhadrapada, Ashwin, Kartika, Margasira, Pausa, Magha, and Falguna. These are the months. Okay, Falguna month, Magha month, Pausa month, Margasira month, Kartika month, Ashwin month, Bhadrapada month, Shravana month, Ashadeha month, Jyeshtha month, Vaishaka, and Chaitra. Okay, so the Chaitra first, it is started, the use of this Shaka calendar started in the year 1879. It is similar to March 22, 1957. Okay, then we know that in Gregorian calendar also there are 12 months, like that in the Shaka calendar also there are 12 months. These are the 12 months. So name the 12 months. I will ask questions in the next class. Okay, so understand all of you the Shaka era, Shaka calendar, etc. Shaka calendar started in the Shaka era. That means King Shalivahana Shaka's time period is known as the Shaka era. So that time period this Shaka calendar started, and he started the Shaka calendar. Okay, and it is used in the astronomical work, and ancient India it was used for the calculation of religious festivals of India. And this is the first calendar of our country India, and it is known as the Hindu calendar, and is developed in the Shaka era. Okay, understood this all of you? So read this Shaka calendar and formation of calendar very well, and understand the month. Then next online class I will ask questions of this. Okay, understood all of you? Bye.